Ahoy! Welcome back to Adventure Senna. Today we're exploring Lake Sacajawea, deep in the wild suburbs of Longview, Washington. Just kidding, it's really just a man-made lake in a local park, and it happens to be a lovely place to kayak. Easton, Kolga, and I are about to jump out on the lake, and I'm going to be taking a plunge, all in the service of testing out a new dry bag, which I was given by this company, Easthill Outdoors. To be clear, this isn't a sponsored video. They did give me the product for free, but I'm just giving an unbiased review. So the phone still works inside the bag, which is really nice. And because it's a waterproof bag, you can just chop your phone in this external pocket here. Phone doesn't fit in the external pocket, so if I had anything to say about it, maybe a slightly larger pocket for the external. Maybe it's just American phones, but this is not going to fit there, so I would chuck this inside. I was kind of complaining about the pocket a second ago, but they do include this lanyard which attaches to the waterproof carrying case, which I think is excellent, so it kind of makes up for it. Just strap this to your bag and then you can chuck it inside, or if you're feeling brave, just leave it on the outside for easy access. You don't even have to take this bag off to use your phone, which is pretty convenient. Let's find out if this dry bag will actually hold up. If it doesn't, my change of clothes is gonna get soaked. I tell you, can't squeeze any air out of it, so that's a good start. As we pull up, we prepare to set up our kayaks. We get the dogs suited up for the aquatic adventures.
Alright, Kolga. Kolga dog is used to mounting aquatic missions. She's prepared to jump onto boat. I said she is prepared to jump onto boat.
Fleet Admiral. Come here,
Fleet Admiral Kolga.
Come on.
We're gonna get right on this
Let's go.
grassy path.
Yeah.
She is so good. Wow. This is good, dog. The umbilicus, she will fight you to the death.
Hey! Hey.
Alright, I believe you're good. Alright, so today we are testing out the Easthill Outdoors dry bag, the 10 liter. Our dog is here to judge. I have my change of dry clothes, so if I get wet today, I'm relying on this dry bag. Let's see how it works.
Cell phone's in there too, right?
Yep, phone's in there too, so. Cool guy. You see all the lily pad lotus flowers?
Every spring, the lotus lily pads throughout Lake Sacajawea host a Superbloom, where all of the lotus flowers blossom at once. You can come and witness beautiful white and pink lotuses floating on the surface.
Yeah, those are pink lotus.
Despite being right in the middle of town, you can also spot magnificent and exotic wildlife. Seabirds and waterfowl in particular love to come and visit Lake Sacajawea. If birdwatching and appreciating flowers aren't really your thing, there's also plenty of other things to do at the local lake. All the people on the banks for the most part are fishing, and every other kayak in the water was actually a fisherman.
Yep, time to go in. Dry bag is totally soaked and submerged. Okay, these leaves are stinky. Oh no! I'm praying that my change of clothes is dry because it's cold. Okay, let's find out if the change of clothes find out if the dry bag worked. Okay. It's okay, this is a peninsula. Bone dry, nice. So my towel's dry, so that means all my other clothes is dry. My phone was fine. So yes, the Easthill Outdoors dry bag will keep your stuff dry in the event of a flip, and it will dry you off if you go into the water and you need a change of clothes. So always good to have a dry bag. This bag does, as advertised, protects your clothing. So
overall, this dry bag is a solid purchase for the value. My only complaint, if any, is really this little phone protector that comes with it. It was a little bit shoddy. Mine actually fell apart. Also, it wouldn't fit in the outside smaller pocket on the dry bag, so maybe a negative point for that. But overall, the bag does what it's advertised to. I would have to give it a solid 8 out of 10. Thank you, as always, for watching Adventure Senna, and I hope you enjoyed this mini kayaking video about Lake Sacajawea.